Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm showing you a simple, relatively easy mod that you can do on your Toyota 4Runner, Tacoma, FJ Cruisers. I recommend it because if this foam goes bad, you're out of luck. So here we have my beautiful Toyota 4Runner. I'm thinking about nicknaming her Tazie or Taz, but here there's this cover that's on top. That goes right here. You pop this cover off. There is a Torx. Oh, there it is. Right here. That sits in the center. Take that out. And then you should be able to pop this guy off. Okay, so I had to wiggle it and keep constant pressure while wiggling this piece to pop it out. There is a funnel here on top of it. I obviously, as you can see, broke these little tabs to take it over this ridge. This foam sits right here. And this foam, mine is relatively clean and not deteriorated, but yours, it might not be as clean or intact. And this little motor here, if it gets in there, this whole system is pretty expensive to replace, which is why I am replacing it with this little doohickey here. Filter. Here is the box. I will link it down below in the description. But it is a 1-inch intake. The 1 inch is the inner diameter of the cone here. But you remove that foam, clean it, if it's depending on how bad it is. And then all you gotta do is put it back in here. There's these tabs down here. See the little forks and the tab that it lines up like that? That's how you know you got it in the right spot. Once you take it off for the first time, it just sits like that. It's loose, super loose. Which is why you have the Torx screw here. Bolt it down. Stand by. See, you're already getting tight, and there's a lot of space here. So it'll clamp this down. That way, it'll be airtight. All right, now that you got this down tight, just grab this cover, this housing, and it just pops right down in place. You heard the little snaps going, and look how seamless that is. Can't even really realize it unless you're looking for it. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. That concludes today's video of 4Runner upgrades. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did, leave a like, comment down below, and of course, as always, God loves you. Have a good one. Bye.